optimize a performance max campaign, you can use several strategies and tactics to enhance performance and achieve better results. Many people think that if the performance max campaign bid strategy is automatic, we don't have much control over the optimization, but that's not true. There are several things you can do for PMax campaign optimization. Feeling stuck? Relax. I will explain everything step by step. Hi guys, my name is Tanya and I am back with another informative video for you. Today I will guide you through all the basic and points we have for proper optimization and scaling campaign performance. First, data feed optimization, product title and description. Ensure product title and description are accurate, detailed and keyword rich high quality images. Use high resolution images that showcase your product effectively. Category mapping. Map your products to the most relevant categories to improve targeting. Custom levels. Utilized custom level for better segmentation and bidding strategy. Second, audience targeting and segmentation. Create audience signals. Provide Google with hints about your ideal customer using data segments, interest and behavior. Segment audience. Use detailed demographic in market audience and remarket list to reach the most relevant user. Point 3. Creative asset. Ensure you have a full group of relevant asset, diverse asset. Provide a variety of high quality creatives asset including text, images and video. More asset type can help algorithm find the best combination to show to potential customer. Optimization creatives. Ensure your assets are optimized for mobile and desktop. Use Google recommendation for best practice on ad creatives. Asset quality. Add at least 20 text ads, 15 headline, 5 description, 7 images asset, 3 landscape, 3 square, 1 portrait and at least 1 video asset, either your own or one created using the video creation tool during campaign setup. To your asset group. Fourth point, keyword optimization for PPC. While traditional keywords targeting is not used in performance max campaign, keyword research is still relevant for search campaign. Use this research to inform your signals and content strategies. 5. Landing page optimization. Ensure that the landing page your ad direct user to are optimized for conversions. This include fast loading time, clear and relevant content, prominent CTA and mobile responsiveness. Point 6. Location optimization. You can optimize ad location level by initial adding the entire US. Then evaluate the performance of individual state and cities. If some state or city are not performing well, remove them and focus on the location that provide good result. 7th point, add extensions similar to other ad type. Extension can be applied to performance max campaign. Google machine learning will choose which asset to serve and which extension to show with them. Ensure that extension you pick are suitable for all assets. If unsure, you can view some of the top asset combination by selecting combination from the view detail option in the asset group menu. 8th point, final URL expansion. Final URL expansion is powerful tool automatically selected when setting up a performance max campaign. It can send traffic to the most relevant URL on your site and serve a dynamic headline based on the customer intent. However, exclude any URL that are not relevant to your campaign, as Google Ads many serve ads for these URL such as term and condition. 9th point, ad scheduling. Ad scheduling ensure your ad are served at time when they are most effective. Focus your calendar view on a single day to identify low performing time, then check across several days to confirm the pattern. Adjust your ad schedule to ensure efficient spending, especially if you have a limited budget. Conclusion: setting clear goal is essential for any successful campaign optimization strategy. Without clear objective, it becomes challenging to measure the effectiveness of your effort and make informed decisions to improve your campaign performance. This is where key performance indicator KPI come into play. Setting clear goal and using data to define KPI are essential components of successful campaign optimization strategy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tips and strategy. Thank you.